Hi, my name is Darius.
Hi, my name is Darius.
And this is Darius Builds a Go-Kart. So Darius, what are we doing today in the go-kart?
We are going to remove the wire and take out the engine.
Alright, so let's get started.
Yep.
Alright, come on. Let's take it work.
Okay. What's up, everyone? Who am I going to use?
Well, you're not going to use the big tool. You're going to use your hands.
Huh?
So see if you can take that seat out.
Let's see.
That seat right there.
Okay. Like this?
Yep, see if you can take it all the way out. You got a washer on the back. Pull them two washers off.
What are washers?
They're like little spacers. Twist it. Twist and pull. Good job. Now go do the other side.
Can I bridge? Yeah. Hey, it's coming off.
That's the whole point.
A little more than I thought. Alright, I think I should use my hand now. These bolts are trying to get away from me. That's those 6 bolts.
Alright, now,
Yep, I know. Pull it.
pull and twist.
Pull
it straight.
Twist.
There you go. Alright, I got 2 more lights back here for you, dude.
What?
Yep.
Alright, let's do this. Oops. Glad I didn't drop the wrench or whatever.
Good wrench.
Wrench. Wait. Got it. Oh, it almost looks like a hammer or an axe.
Alright, do the other side.
Let me out the jump. Whoa. There. I didn't have to twist it.
Hit the gas pedal.
Which side? This side? Okay.
You might need 2 hands. Turn it the other way. Alright, got the wiring harness removed. So the only things that I want from this wiring harness is for the shift indicator. I want to retain the indicator for what gear the transmission is in. So I'm gonna put this to the side for right now and try to start getting this motor out. Alright, so I lost my helper. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the motor off. It seems like this upper frame comes off, and I guess once I take this upper frame off, that I unbolt. It has like a couple motor mounts, 2 bolts on the bottom. It looked like I should be able to just push it forward and lift it straight up. So let's see if I'm right or if I am wrong. All right, and here we have the 89cc China motor, or 86cc or 89, whatever. I think they call it a 90. So we're just gonna round it up to 90. All right, so what we need to do now is take this cover off, and the stator, the cool or whatever, should be right under that cover. And we need to know whether it is a 6 or a 2. That don't seem safe. That don't seem safe at all. All right, and there goes our stator, and it looks like it is a 2-coil stator. So now I need to unbolt it, figure out the bolt spacing, make sure that I'm ordering the correct wiring kit, and the next video hopefully will be of me getting that bad boy installed.